Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. If you're an artist, calligrapher, crafter, or just someone who appreciates top-tier writing tools, you're in for a treat. Today, we're looking at what we consider the best calligraphy pen set with ink on the market, the SAKURA Pigma Micron Fineliner pens. A premium set of 8 archival quality pens made to impress. Let's kick things off with what you get in the package. Opening this set, you're immediately greeted with 8 sleek pens neatly arranged and labeled. Each pen has its own unique tip size, ranging from the ultra-fine 005 for meticulous detailing, all the way up to a thick graphic 1.0 mm for bolder, expressive strokes. You also get a brush pen for fluid line variation and artistic flair. This variety means you can sketch, outline, shade, or write with absolute precision, all in one pack. These pens are filled with archival quality black ink that is waterproof, fade-resistant, bleed-free, and quick-drying. That means your work stays crisp and smudge-free, even over time. Whether you're journaling, illustrating, or inking comics, the permanence and clarity are unmatched. The ink is also pH-neutral, making it safe for use on paper and ensuring it doesn't degrade your artwork over the years. It's no wonder professional artists and illustrators swear by it. Plus, each pen uses color derived from a single pigment, ensuring consistency in every line. That's a major bonus when color uniformity matters, especially in intricate or repeat pattern work. Let's see them in action. Starting with the 005, you'll notice the line is so fine it's practically microscopic, perfect for cross-hatching, stippling, or tiny hand lettering. As you move up through the 01, 02, 03, and so on, the lines grow slightly thicker, giving you more versatility for various strokes. The brush pen adds a completely different dynamic, ideal for expressive strokes, modern calligraphy, or creative doodling. And the graphic 1.0 mm? That's your go-to for bold headers, filling large areas, or dramatic contrasts. Across all these pens, what remains consistent is how smoothly they glide across the paper. There's no skipping, no blotching, and definitely no feathering. Build quality is another highlight. The pens feel sturdy yet lightweight. The caps snap on tightly, ensuring your ink stays fresh. Even with heavy use, the nibs don't wear down quickly, which is a huge win for anyone doing repetitive or detailed work. And let's not forget, these are made in Japan, known for their precision manufacturing and dedication to excellence. Crafters, calligraphers, DIY gift makers. If you care about the details, these pens belong in your toolkit. They're ideal for everyday use, professional art, or even just writing with a little extra style. So, if you're in the market for a pen set that delivers quality, reliability, and elegance in every line, the SAKURA Pigma Micron Fineliner pens are worth every cent. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.